everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and look what I've got in my hand. I've got a sneak peek into Rustic Playground's vintage sewing mini book. I love the miniatures, and as you know, we've made several from her different sets, the vintage magazines, the vintage wildflowers, and the vintage Alice. And I made my own little bookcase till I'm ready to use them so that I can store them in this cute little bookcase. DIY Dollar Tree frame. And there's a video on that. I'll link it below in case you're interested. All right, so Rustic Playground, Carla is a friend of mine, and she does amazing art and design, and she has a website and a subscription, which is called Rustic Playground. Her club is a Vintage Visionaries Club, VVC. All right, Vintage Visionaries Club is her subscription that is all-encompassing. Like, you can get it for monthly, or you can get it for yearly, or you can just buy your kits, or you can go on Etsy and purchase individual things. But if you use my name, Cindy, you get 50% off. You get 50% off your year or your first month. So it's cool. You should look at it. I have a link below, which is an affiliate link. So if you do, I get a commission off of that, which is awesome for me, but awesome for you because you get access to these fun things. So right now, the wildflower mini books, I think, are on clearance. The Alice, she just made, so I was excited about that one. And then the vintage magazine mini books are there too on her site. And these will be in the sewing, vintage sewing for June. So you're getting a sneak peek, and I'm super excited. So let's jump in and make these and have some fun. I don't think my remote wanted me to turn off because I'm doing a hidden giveaway. Surprise! I had such a great response to the mini junk journal kit that I put in live last night that I decided to do a hidden giveaway, and this will be follow the same rules as my junk journal giveaway that will be on May 31st. So you need to put the word mini kit in the comments below, because that's what the random comment picker will look for. And just so you know, it's all this fun stuff to make a little mini junk journal, some twine, some papers, some vintage papers. So it's a really fun little mini kit. Oh, there's more. And that will be drawn on May 31st with the junk journal kit giveaway from May 1st. So below in the comments, you need to put the words mini kit to be entered. So you have to follow those instructions, and it is the same rules as all my other giveaways. So there you go. All right, so let's make a mini book. I love these mini books. All right, what you need though is a trimmer. It just makes it easier, but you don't have to have it. You can also cut out your pieces with scissors, but I find it's a little faster to use my trimmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim down from the side. These all line up perfectly. And then I'm going to trim this side. Let me open this up. There we go. And here. Now, I'm just going to make one on here with you, but you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. You can make 5. All right, so she gives you the outside and the inside, and you can cover it how you like. If you don't want to do it that way, you can make 10 and then change the way you cover it. So I think what I will do is make that my outside. And then I think I might cut one of these and use the opposites. So I could use the other for my inside, and I'll use one of these for my, does that make sense? I don't know if I'm making sense. All right, so we're just going to use one of these for the inside. All right, so I've cut out the inside and the outside for my cover. Now these are the pages that go on the inside of your journal, just like you would have pages or signatures on your regular journal. This is your mini journal pages. So I'm just going to trim this up, and it's just easier with the trimmer. And then I'm going to show you about folding. Now this is the Vintage Sewing mini book. All right, so she gives you the lines to fold on. So you just fold on the lines, line them up, make sure you get them good, and then you'll want to crease them or burnish your fold lines. I'm using a bone folder, and then we're gonna do this one. And I just appreciate Carla so much giving me access to the mini sewing. I'm so excited. Okay, so the mini sewing books. All right, so this one is your page. I'm going to show you how to fold it. You can see all your lines that you fold on, but you might look at that and go, well, how do I fold that? So I fold it, the way that I do it is I fold it in half, and we're going to do mountain valley folds like you do a fan. So we've got that on that line. So this one we're going to fold up, and this is going to be our valley fold. So, and then this one will be a mountain fold. So you can see how that'll open like that. So we're just going to crease those or burnish those folds. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So you want to just check. Now you could score these if you are unsure, but this is pretty simple to follow. And I did do them, print them on cardstock. So how cute is that? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I am gonna vintagize or ink up these edges a little bit, and then we're gonna glue it all together. All right, so this is my cover. This is my inside panels that I'm choosing. So I'm gonna glue these in. I'm just gonna put the glue on the back here. I'm just using the glue I use with my journals. So I'm just going to put that glue on there. Now this one's going to go on the inside front for me. Now again, everyone has a creative, the way that they like to do things, you know, like creative license, I guess is what I want to say. So Carla may put hers together differently, and you may put it together differently yet, but this is how I'm doing it. So, and that's okay. All right. So that's my inside cover. Oh, that's so cute. All right, now I did decide I wanted to do one thing. I have some beautiful ribbon lace that is some flowers. So I wanted, since she had flowers on her, I wanted to add this little piece. This is just a little piece of it right here on the corner to add to my little journal. Is that cute? Oh my goodness. So cute. Okay, so these are my pages, and you could do 2 pages and just like this. So you could have 2, and I like to have 2 actually. So I glue this front, the end flaps or pages to the one behind it. Just helps hold it in place like that. So I do that on my 2 pages, and I call these signatures just like you would in a regular journal. So then they'll be like that. We'll do the same thing here, really quick. And it doesn't take a lot of glue. And I did print both on cardstock, both the cover and the pages. Okay. So now I have my 2 signatures. Okay. So these can go like this, I think. And they'll go in here. Make my little mini book. Now, what I want to do is I want to put a ribbon like I did here with a little charm on it. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to glue this in to the center before, to my spine, before I set my books in. And that's going to have to set up a second. All right, so I've chosen a little sewing thread and my bulb pen out of my little charms for my upcoming sewing journal. So we'll put that out of the way. All right, and then we're gonna put this bulb pen, we're gonna put it through the little charm, and then we're gonna hang it onto this thread, which I could have done before, but we're just gonna see. This is just an 1/8 inch thread, ribbon, with my little thread spool charm on it. And we're gonna pull that down, so that's gonna hang like that. It's gonna look so cute. We're just gonna snip that. There we go. To set my signature pages in here, I'm going to put glue here. And then I'm going to put glue here in this spine. And I'm going to set that in there. And then while that's sitting up, I want to go ahead and get this one in there as well so that it can set up at the same time. So I'm just going to hold those in there like that. And then I usually just get a clip so that it can set up just like that. It's really fun and easy, and I'll just clip it so it can set up. The glue can set up. And then I will put it on my little bookshelf just like all these others. So if you haven't seen these are super fun and so cute. You will wish that you had gotten them when they first came out. But they're still there right now, and look how cute, and it's a mini book is. Oh, so cute. Can't wait to do the big sewing journal. So we're just gonna keep that clip together so that it can sit. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget the hidden giveaway. That is mini kit is what you get entered into the comments. And then don't forget to go over to Rustic Playground and check out these cute mini sewing kits in June. But before June, you can check out everything else on her site. My link is below. So thanks so much again. Have a wonderful day.